Why is science everywhere in B2B sales conversations, and why do so many companies keep bringing them up when they talk about go-to-market execution? In this video, we're breaking down what science actually does, who they're a fit for, and whether they make sense for your GTM strategy. Stick around because near the end, I'll also talk about what to do if you like this model but you aren't ready to hire an agency yet. Science is a B2B go-to-market and lead generation agency. At its core, they help companies build pipeline by combining outbound, inbound, data, and sales development into one structured system. Most of their clients are B2B companies that want predictable meetings booked without building an entire SDR team from scratch. They've been around since mid-2010s and are best known for positioning themselves as more than just a cold email agency. Instead of selling "we send emails for you," Science positions itself as a full GTM execution partner that includes strategy, data, outbound execution, and ongoing optimization. In the market, they're often mentioned alongside larger, more enterprise-leaning sales development firms rather than solo outbound agencies. And here's what Science work looks like. First, they define the ideal customer profile with the client. This usually includes firmographics, job titles, industries, and regions. Then they handle lead sourcing using their own data capabilities combined with external data sources. Outbound execution typically includes cold email and other outbound touchpoints, depending on the engagement. Meetings are booked directly onto client's calendar, while Science manages messaging, testing, and optimization. The client is still responsible for sales calls, closing, and revenue operations, while Science focuses on pipeline creation and GTM execution. One of Science's biggest strengths is structure. They have clearly defined process for outbound, inbound SDR services, GTM setup, and ongoing optimization. Companies choose them because they don't want to experiment internally or manage multiple vendors. Science also has credibility with mid-market and enterprise clients, especially those that value compliance, data quality, and predictable execution over growth hacks. They're trusted because they operate like an extension of a revenue team, not a freelancer sending emails. With that being said, there are some trade-offs. Science is not built for very early stage founders who want full control or who are still figuring out product market fit. They're also not ideal if you want to move extremely fast and tweak campaigns daily yourself. Agency-led GTM means less hands-on control, higher cost compared to software, and a need of internal alignment before results show up. If your sales motion isn't defined yet, and an agency like Science can feel heavy. When it comes to proof, Science publishes case studies, testimonials, and reviews across platforms like Clutch and G2. Rather than focusing on flashy numbers, most of their public proof emphasizes consistency, professionalism, and long-term pipeline building. The pattern you see is companies talking about improved sales focus, better qualified meetings, and more predictable outreach, not overnight wins. Science is a good fit if you're a B2B company with a clear ICP and a sales team ready to take meetings. And of course, the budget to outsource GTM execution. They're especially relevant for teams that want a managed approach to outbound and inbound without building internal SDR infrastructure. Now, if you like this approach but you're not ready to hire an agency, this is where software comes into the picture. Agencies like Science are execution layers. Under the hood, they rely on data, outreach systems, inbox infrastructure, and workflows. Today, a lot of that can be done in-house with the right tools. One example is Salesforce. It's software designed to replicate many of the systems agencies use, like outbound infrastructure, mailbox setup, warm-up, lead workflows, and multi-channel execution, but without handing control to an external team. It's not a replacement for an agency like Science, but it's an option if you want to build your GTM engine yourself. And if you want to see how that works in practice, I suggest you look at this video where I showcase how to use Salesforce from scratch.